see how this goes. I got this truck. He says it's getting stuck to a trailer. Let's see how it does there. Not that time. So we've had this happen with the cylinder. Basically what we got going on is this cylinder is not, actually will you hit that? Will you hit that? It's not opening the fifth wheel jaws, opening and closing them. So basically we gotta spray some air cleaner into these lines, and then this probably gonna need to get replaced, but I don't see why it should be bad already. So we're gonna clean it out and see if we can get it going.